Good morning and welcome to another video. This is Lifestyle with Jerome. Here we talk about tech and lifestyle products for men. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, push the notification button and give us a thumbs up. Gonna check what's inside the box and I will give you my first impressions. So I'm not the type of guy that will use these kind of earbuds, but they look sick. I have to say they look really nice. So let's find out what's inside the box. The Edifier Comfo Run. Let's go. So here we've got the box of the Comfo Run. Is a pretty standard box for Edifier. Logo on the top, picture of the products in the middle, and at the bottom right the name of the product, which in this case is the Comfo Run open ear wireless sports headphones. It's got Bluetooth and a battery of up to 17 hours, which is pretty good. On the back you've got more pictures of the products and then some technical information like the 16.2mm driver, the game mode, the pedometer, dual mic, IP55 dust and splash resistant. It's got the bass boost mode and is of course an open ear design. It also shows that it comes with a charging cable, which is not a USB-C cable, and in 15 minutes you have fast charging because you will get 5 hours extra of battery, which is pretty good. Okay, so now let's open the box. So you've got obviously the Comfo Run here. We're gonna check them a bit later. Inside the box you've got the more accessories. So you've got some leaflets, welcome leaflet, which will explain you how to use and set up the Edifier. You've got a little card, which I think is always a nice touch, which asks you to give any feedback and if you got any technical issues to contact Edifier. And you've got the charging cable, which as told you is not USB-C, it's USB-A cable and proprietary cable to charge the Comfo Run. Okay, so this is how they look like. Definitely they're better without glasses because I think with glasses it's a bit more annoying. Okay, so it is different definitely because I'm used to the earbuds, so of course having this, the open air earbuds, is a bit different, especially on the back as they're attached, but they feel okay. They're very light though, very light. I've got them set up on my iPad and the sound is actually really good. Very nice sound quality, quite impressive. Because I've got other ones from One More, the open air earbuds, the new ones, the S70. They're very light, very comfy, but the sound is not as loud out here. Go play again. But really nice quality, very warm, lovely sound. Oh yeah. Very impressive sound. Yeah, so the design is maybe not my favorite type of earbuds, but the sound quality, Yeah, wow. And they're super light. And also you can tell they're very, very well made. Very nice earbuds. Good product from Edifier. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Consider subscribing, and I see you very soon here on Lifestyle with Jerome. Thank you.